Just hold it up there, Hannah. Get closer to him. Hannah, just hold your hand up there. He's not going to hurt you. Just let him eat out of your hand. Just don't move, Hannah. Do you want him to get on your shoulder? Hold on.
He has claws. It might hurt if you don't have a shirt on.
Move your hand away, Hannah.
That was
Slowly.
pretty impressive, though.
Watch.
I don't want him on my shoulder.
You don't want him to go up there? Jacob, stop. Let Hannah have a turn. Those are too big for him. He can't eat those, Jacob.
Don't jump, Hannah.
He jumped on you. Here, hold on. Here. Here.
Get a chip on your finger.
No, I'm going to see if he'll just get on my hand.
I want to
Hold on. Hold on. Come here, bird.
I still have some in my hand.
Don't
I
crowd
still
him.
have some in my hand.
Okay, then get up there, Hannah.
Ooh, scared him.
Bird. Mr. Tweet, whatever your name is.
All right, y'all.
Yeah,
Y'all leave him